what's up, fellow hobbyists? This is Nola Gospel with another pawn shop special. This is my pre-owned SIG 226 Legion. Alright, here we go, YouTube. First of all, this weapon is safe and clear. Nothing in the magwell, nothing in the chamber, no ammunition in the room. My wife is at work right now, the cats are locked in the laundry room, and I am the only one here. I got a sweet deal on this at Pawn Depot. Don't want to tell you exactly what I paid for it. The wife might be watching, you know, and no matter what I paid for it, she's going to think I paid too much. But trust me, I got a really sweet deal. Actually, I think she watched the first couple of videos and she lost interest. Anyway, it came with 3 magazines, a Romeo 1 Pro optic, and this sight adjustment tool. Alright, the SIG P226 Legion is a premium factory-enhanced version of the classic P226, designed for professional use, competition, and high-end home defense. Yeah, I wouldn't really carry something like this just because of the fact that it's single action only. You're going to have to remember to take that safety off. But this will be a decent home defense weapon on your nightstand. One issue I did have is... Jeez. Okay, riding the slide when you're shooting and you don't get the last round hold open. So you really have to make a conscious effort to keep your thumbs away from this little guy here. Okay, another issue I had was with this Romeo 1 Pro optic. Right out of the box, it was great. I shot it for about a year. It kept 0. Then all of a sudden, every time I go to the range, man, I'm like, way off, man. I'm like, what the heck? And so I don't know what the deal is, but these little adjustment screws, this is the windage one right there. There's no clicks. There's no tactile, you know, you can't, there's no clicks. Best way to say it. It just kind of floats around freely. And I think when a slide is going back and forth, the screws, the adjustment screws are moving. Same thing with the elevation. So I don't know what the deal with that is. I never heard of, you know, losing clicks. Alright, looks like the optic is off a little bit here. Okay, so let's go this way.
round hole open. Oh.